Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I am excited to share an overview / mini review of the new Ocean collection that just released today from Elf Beads. This collection I'm very excited for. I've been spending so much time by the ocean at the beach with Alice, and this couldn't have come out at a more perfect time because I've literally, I think the past 8 days, I've been going to the beach in the evenings, every single evening, and it's been so relaxing and calming. Now, if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage, and let's get started with today's video seeing the Ocean collection from Elf Beads. So inside the first bag I pulled out, I did the pink one. I love the color pink. And we have these gorgeous world beads. Now from left to right, we have Ocean Blossom World, Ocean Seashell Shimmering World, and Ocean Mermaids Love World. And I love all of these. They're beautiful. Look at the details, the sparkle. I'm very partial to the mermaid love. I mean, the pinks and the golds are totally me, but there's something really special about this Seashell Shimmering World. Like the colors, kind of the aqua blue a little bit with the oranges. Kind of makes me think of autumn too, like autumn at the beach, which I really, really love as well. Here are some side views of the details as well. Now let's head into the next pink bag. We have 4 glass beads here. From left to right, we have Skyflower Hearts, which has this beautiful cubic zirconia heart detail in it and a ton of sparkle. There's also Dancing Petals, which I love. You kind of have this fuchsia reddish blue with the green. So cool. Mermaid Heaven Flowers, and then we also have the Blue Lagoon Dandelions. And oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. Here's the Blue Lagoon Dandelions. You can see the side view of it. It's so pretty. Dancing Petals is exquisite. It is so pretty. It also gives me mermaid vibes. And then we also have the Skyflower Hearts again here, which you can see the cubic zirconia. Like, it's beautiful. I love the kind of the lavender blue details with the touches of pink. Heading into bag number 3, it's this really pretty kind of pale pink champagne color. From left to right, we have Ocean Mermaid's Love, Ocean Fairytale, Ocean Seashell Shimmering, Ocean Lagoon Fantasy, and Ocean Blossom. And oh my goodness, as you guys can see, a lot of these pair beautifully with the world beads that I'd shown earlier. It's like a twin little match for them. So perhaps if you wanted to get 2 of these and one of the world, you could use the world as the centerpiece and these to frame it. I love these. Again, the mermaid vibes. Like the mermaids love the Fairytale Seashell Shimmering. Like they're so gorgeous and the details really pop. I'm really excited for the Shimmering World ones with the seashells. I think I want to do like an autumn ocean theme with those. Like I think it'd be really pretty. Here's again a look at the side details and another look at them all up close together. The shell details on those are so beautiful. Now we'll head into the next bag, and these are amazing. These have the seahorses on the 3 of them, and then there's just one that's more plain. These are so detailed from every single angle. They're amazing, you guys. From left, we have Royal Blue Seahorse, Royal Pink Seahorse, Caribbean Seahorse, and then the Ocean Bed Shimmer. Now look at the details on the side. Amazing. And the seahorses are just so sweet. And I love how you have like a flower detail, a starfish on it, and then the beautiful Ocean Bed Shimmer. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. Like the different colors in there, almost like kind of like a touch of mauvey purple and gold, a little bit of orange. So pretty, makes me think of the sand and finding little seashells on the beach buried in the sand. Like such a beautiful, beautiful glass bead. I'm excited to style with these. I'm not actually sure what kind of look I want to go with these, but I'm going to have fun designing with them. Now on to the next bag, we have 2 beads inside here, both are world beads. The first one on the left is called the Ocean Fairytale World, and the second one is called the Tropical Waves World. Okay, Tropical Waves World is so cool. Like I love how one side looks kind of like the sandy ocean or the water shimmering with some seashells and stones. And the other side is the ocean waves moving. Like it's exquisite. Ocean Fairytale is so fun. I mean, it's literally looks like the ocean and you're kind of swimming through it and you see all this magical ocean life, the seashells, little bubbles, water, little bits of gold with the sun hitting the ocean waves. Both of these are just so, so stunning. Now into the last bag, we're going to have the silver beads, and I want to say a huge thank you to Elf Beads and Bees Candy Shop for sending me these to review. I also love because they included 2 stoppers and 2 spacers for me to style with. Like, so amazing of them. Basically from left, like on opposite ends, we have this Seashell turtle stopper, 2 of them, like the seashell detail on the turtles. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, it's adorable. The spacers are called the wave spacers, and they're so pretty. Kind of make me think a little bit of Art Nouveau. Here you can see another quick look at the sea turtles and the rubber stopper detailing on the side. Now in the center, we have the Playful Dolphins. Their little faces are so cute. They all look like they're very happy swimming in the water. I love the little eye, like kind of like an animated eye detail. And you can see that it's almost like they're kind of doing a performance and they're shooting through the waves, that you can see that kind of like wave detail on the side there. So pretty. Here are some little side angles of what it looks like on the side, left and right. Really unique, pretty bead. Anyway, you guys, that is it for an overview / mini review of the Ocean collection from Elf Beads. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. I'd love to know which beads are your favorite. Please let me know down below. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Enjoy the week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.